Hello. In this video, we will learn how to learn English fast and speak fluent is like a native. Learning a new language feels like climbing a big mountain, but if you have a good map, you can get to the top much faster. Here is a step-by-step guide to learning English quickly using easy English methods. Step 1. Change your environment. You don't need to live in London or New York to learn English. You can bring English to your home. Change your phone language. Go to settings and change the language to English. You already know where the buttons are, so this helps you learn tech words. Use post-it notes. Write the English names of things in your house, like mirror, fridge, or door, and stick them on the objects. Listen to English music. Don't just listen. Look up the lyrics and sing along. Step 2. Input before output. Think of your brain like a cup. You must fill it with water, listening and reading, before you can pour water out, speaking and writing. Watch cartoons. Shows for children use simple words and clear actions. They are perfect for beginners. YouTube is your best friend. Find English with named channels. They speak slowly and use subtitles. Read graded readers. These are books written specifically for your level. Don't start with Shakespeare. Start with a level 1 storybook. Step 3. The speak to yourself method. Many people are afraid to speak because they fear making mistakes. To fix this, talk when you are alone. Narrate your day. Say what you are doing. I am making coffee now. I am putting sugar in the cup. It smells good. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker on a video and repeat exactly what they say at the same time. Copy their speed and their emotions. Step 4. Learn phrases, not just words. If you only learn single words, your brain has to work very hard to build a sentence. If you learn phrases, you can speak much faster. Instead of just want, learn I would like to. Instead of just help, learn can you give me a hand? Why? Phrases help you sound more natural and prevent choppy speaking. Step 5. Find a partner or an AI. To get fast results, you must use the language with another person. Language exchange apps. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to talk to people for free. Talk to AI. You can talk to me. Ask me to practice a conversation with you, like at the doctor or ordering pizza. 3 golden rules for speed. Consistency over intensity. Studying for 15 minutes every day is better than studying for 5 hours once a week. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every mistake is a lesson. Have fun. If you like movies, watch movies. If you like cooking, read recipes in English. If it's boring, you will quit. Here are some more steps. Step 1. Decide your goal first. Decide why you want to learn English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to speak with confidence. Maybe you want to travel or live abroad. Say this sentence every day. I am learning English for my future. I will not stop. Belief is very important. If you believe, you will learn faster. Step 2. Start with listening. Listening is the first skill. Babies listen before they speak. You should do the same. Every day, listen to English for 30 to 60 minutes. Watch simple English videos. Listen to short stories. Listen to slow English podcasts. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Understanding will come slowly. Just listen, again and again. Step 3. Learn daily words, small but daily. Do not learn 100 words in one day. Learn 5 to 10 words daily. Example: work, job, learn, speak, improve. Make simple sentences. I work every day. I want a good job. I learn English daily. I speak slowly. I want to improve. Repeat these sentences aloud. Step 4. Speak from day 1. Do not wait to become perfect. Perfect English is a lie. Start speaking from the first day. Speak in front of a mirror, alone in your room, while walking, while driving. Say simple sentences. My name is Juan Chinalix. I am learning English. I live in Maxshire. I work as a cheerleader. I want to improve my English. Speak slowly. Mistakes are okay. Step 5. Think in English. Stop translating from your language. When you see a chair, say, this is a chair. When you walk, think, I am walking. When you eat, think, I am eating food. Thinking in English is powerful. It makes English natural. Step 6. Read easy English. Every day, reading helps your brain. Start with short stories, easy articles, children's books, simple news. Read aloud, not silent. If you see a new word, guess the meaning, check dictionary, use it in a sentence. Step 7. Write small things daily. Writing fixes English in your mind. Every day write 5 sentences about your day. Example: today I woke up early, I went to work, I talked to my friend, I practiced English, I feel happy. Do not worry about grammar too much. Writing daily is the key. Step 8. Learn basic grammar. Slowly grammar is important, but do not fear it. Start with present tense, past tense. Future tense example: I work. Present: I worked. Past: I will work. Future: one rule at a time. Practice with speaking. Step 9. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition makes English strong. Listen to the same video many times. Read the same story many times. Speak the same sentences many times. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is success. Step 10. Do not be afraid of people. People will not laugh at you. Even if they do, it does not matter. English is a skill, not magic. Speak with friends, co-workers, shopkeepers, online partners. Confidence grows with practice. Step 11. Make English a habit. English is not a one-day job. Make a routine. Morning, listening. Afternoon, speaking. Night, reading or writing. Even 20 minutes daily is powerful. Step 12. Never quit. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel slow. This is normal. Say this again: I am learning English. I will never quit. If you do not stop, you will speak English confidently. Final motivation. English is not difficult. English is only practice. Slow practice is better than no practice. Daily practice is better than perfect practice. Start today. Speak today. Learn every day. Today I want to talk about learning English and changing life. Many people think English is very difficult. They think English is only for smart people. They think, I cannot learn English. But this thinking is wrong. English is not difficult. English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a man who wanted a better life. He had dreams, but he had fear. When he spoke English, he felt nervous. His hands shook. His voice became slow. Sometimes people did not understand him. Because of this, he felt sad. But one day he asked himself a question. He asked, if I do not learn English now, what will happen in 5 years? He imagined his future. He imagined staying in the same job. He imagined missing good opportunities. He imagined regret. That day, he decided to change. He did not start big. He did not buy expensive courses. He did not try to be perfect. He started small. Every morning he listened to English for 10 minutes. Sometimes he understood. Sometimes he did not. But he continued. While walking, he spoke to himself in English. He said simple sentences like, I am walking. I am going to work. I am learning English. At night, he read short English stories. He read slowly. He read aloud. He made many mistakes, but he did not stop. Some days were hard. Some days he felt tired. Some days he wanted to quit. But he remembered one thing. He remembered that slow progress is still progress. After 1 month, something changed. He started understanding more words. English sounds became familiar. Fear slowly became confidence. After 3 months, he noticed something amazing. He started thinking in English. He did not translate every word. English came naturally. People around him noticed the change. They said, your English is better now. This gave him more motivation. Today, he is not perfect, but he is confident. He can speak. He can explain. He can express himself. And this changed his life. Now listen carefully. If he can do it, you can do it. You do not need talent. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need daily practice. Even 15 minutes every day is powerful. Even slow learning works. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Every word you learn matters. Every sentence you speak matters. Every minute you listen matters. Remember this sentence. I am learning English for my future. Say it again. I am learning English for my future. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. So speak today, listen today, practice today. Your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. Your life will change. This is not motivation. This is reality. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and never quit. Today, let us talk about fear and confidence in speaking English. Many people understand English. They can read English. They can write English. But when they speak, they stop. Why? Because of fear. They fear making mistakes. They fear people laughing. They fear wrong grammar. They fear wrong pronunciation. This fear is very common. You are not alone. Let me tell you something important. Fear is normal. Every confident English speaker was once afraid. Every fluent speaker once made mistakes. Nobody starts perfect. There was a time when a man avoided speaking English. When someone spoke English near him, he stayed quiet. He nodded his head. He smiled. But inside, he wanted to speak. He knew the words, but fear blocked his mouth. One day, he made a small decision. He said, "I will speak even if my English is bad." The first time he spoke, his voice was low. His sentence was broken. His grammar was not correct. But something interesting happened. Nobody laughed. Nobody shouted. Nobody stopped him. People listened. This gave him courage. The next day he spoke again.